Hello. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on where and how you can do your own servicing on a Kia Venga. This is the 1.4 2015 SR7 model. So if we have a look in here, this is the air filter. So that's quite easy to do. All you need to do is there's a couple of clips down the side here, two there. Just need to unclip those. You can do those with your fingers. So we unclip both of those, and then that one will just lift up like so. So it kind of pulls out, pull it out and lift it up, and that comes out of the way. So here we have the filter. It's not very dirty really. The car doesn't do a lot of mileage, but it is due to be changed. So we have a new one here. Out, and you'll see that's the new one. And condition wise, it's a little bit grubby, but not a lot of difference. So anyway, that's where the air filter is. So that's a nice easy job to replace. Now the oil, there's the oil filler cap there, so you'll need to undo that when you fill it up. And I've got the dipstick there. So if we have a look at underneath the car, so I've got some plastic sheet in here. You can use newspaper or something, or an old sheet, just in case it all drips. Now this is an old horse lick box. You can actually buy containers for catching the oil in, but it's quite a good size. So we'll slide that underneath where the sump is. Now this is one good thing about the Kia Venga. It's right near the front, nice and easy to get to. So if you have a look here, it's just there. So just undo this one. I've got a 17mm socket here, which will do the trick. So you just undo that. Make sure the car's cooled down before you do it. You don't want to get burnt by hot oil, and make sure the container's over it. So I'll drain the oil out into the container. Now the oil filter is very handy as well. It's just there, so you haven't got far to go to get to that. Nice and convenient. So we need to change the oil filter. So I've got one of these ratchets here, which is like a socket, and it's got a ratchet like a bike chain on it. And all you do, you put that round the I can't do it with one hand, but you put that round the around the oil filter and attach your socket, your socket set, and then undo it anti-clockwise, and then you can pull that container underneath and then just gently drop it into the container. Once again, make sure it's cooled down, because hot oil is not good. So it looks like a nice easy job. I'll just come out there and say this one you've got to jack it up, put it on some axle stands, or in this case I've used some plastic ramps which are doing the job. Just got to line them up and get your car on it safely. So it would help if you have someone to help you with that. But I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.